Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 2 video of Unit 1 of Class 2. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about the solid shapes. There are different types of solid shapes, and in your junior classes, you have learned about the different types of solid shapes, but I think you will not thought very deeply, like its parts. You don't know about its parts, isn't it? So in this class 2, you will get opportunity to read about the parts of the solid shapes. How many parts does it have? There are faces, corners, edges in the solid shapes, and how many doors they have. Either that is about the faces, or that is about the corners, or that is about the edges. So we will discuss here. So first solid shape that I'm going to introduce in front of you all is cube. C-U-B-E, cube. And now look at this figure. I have labeled the part. Look this figure. This part is called the face in this cube. This part is called the face. Likewise, here is a point, here is a place, where different lines are made. This is called the corner. C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. And the line, that I have labeled, is called the edge. This is called the edge of this cube. And here are many lines, isn't it? So now I am going to tell you that how many faces, or how many corners, or how many edges does this cube have. Altogether, cube has 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. Now I am going to show you the instrument, that is found in a cubical shape. This is the instrument. This is you can say it a dice. So I am going to show the faces, corners, and edges of a cube that I have shown on this board. Through this dice. So now faces. How this cube has 6 faces. Now I am going to say you all. So this is called the faces. This plain part. 1, 2. 1 in front, 1 in back. Altogether 2. 1 in up, 1 in down. Altogether 4. After that in this side, 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have written here 6 faces. Likewise the corners. Corner means this. Kuna you can say, where the altogether there are 3 lines are made. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are in above and 4 corners are in below. So altogether 4, 4, 8. So there are 8 corners in this cube. Now talking about the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in above, 4 in below. So altogether 8, and then 9, 10. After that 11, 12. So I have written here 12 edges in cube. Now it's time to know about the cuboid. Look here. This is the figure of cuboid. It is a figure of cuboid. So this part of the cuboid is called the base, and this point, this part is called the corner, and this line that I have labeled it is called the edge. It is called the edge. Altogether this cuboid has also the 6 faces, 8 corners, and the 12 edges. It is also same of this cuboid, but the difference in the cuboid and cube is it's all the length, breadth, and height are same, but the cuboid's length, breadth, and height are different. Remember that. Now I am going to show you the instrument that is in a cuboidal shape. That is your geometry box that you usually use in the classroom for the mathematics subject, isn't it? So now I am going to show you the face, corners, and edges of cuboid in the geometry box. This is called the faces. 1 in up, 1 in down, 2, 1 in front, 1 in back, 4. After that 1 in this, 2 in this side. So altogether there are 6 faces. Likewise the corners. 1 in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners in up, 4 corners are in down. Below. So there are altogether 8 corners. Likewise the edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges are in up, 4 edges are in down, 8, and this 9, 10, after that 11, 12. So there are altogether 12 edges in the cuboid. Now the third solid shapes is our cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. So cylinder. So it's this one part is called the edge in this cylinder, okay, and this part of a cylinder is called the face. And now how many faces, corners, edges does the cylinder have? Now look at, there are altogether 3 faces, okay, 1, 2, 3 faces, corners 0, there are no corners, and the edges only 2 edges, okay. So one edges and 2 edges. Now I am going to show you the instrument that are found in a cylindrical shape. So this is the instrument that I have brought, which is quite similar to this cylinder. It is height, it is distance is little bit smaller than the figure that I have drawn on the board, isn't it? But no worry, let's take an example for instance, isn't it? So this is our cylinder. Now I am going to show you the faces and the edges of the cylinder. And corner, there is no corners, so I am not going to show you the corners. Look here, faces means this 1, this plane, flat, okay, flat part 1, 2, and this 3, okay. So altogether there are 3 faces in the cylinder. Likewise the edges, talking about the edges, so altogether there are 1 edges and this 2 downside. So altogether there are 2 edges in the cylinder. Now this is our 4th solid shape, which is called the cone, C-O-N-E, cone, okay. So this part of this tip of the cone is called the corner, and this part of the cone is called the face, and this part is called the edge. So how many faces does, how many corners or edges does this cone have? Okay, altogether it has 2 faces, 1 corners and 1 edges. Now I am going to show one instrument, okay, that is similar to this cone, and that is your birthday cap. I think you know all about the birthday cap, that you usually use this while you are celebrating the birthday party of yours or anyone's friends, okay. So this is in a conical shape. Look, through this instruments, okay, I am going to show the faces, corners and edges of a cone. So this tip part, okay, this tip is called the corner of the cone. Likewise this part is called the face, and this part is called the edge. This part is called the edge. And how it has 2 faces? So this first face and this is second face, okay. So altogether there are 2 faces. Likewise the corners, this one is your corners, and 1 edge means, so this is your edge, okay. Now last solid shape name is a sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, okay. So now how many faces, corners, edges does it have? Okay, it has 1 faces, 0 corners and 0 edges, and this part of this sphere is called face, and it has no corners and edges. Now I am going to show you the instrument, okay, that is found in spherical shape, that is a cricket ball, okay. This is your cricket ball which is found in a spherical shape. Now look, I am going to show you the faces of this sphere. So this is your face of the ball, okay, or face of a sphere, okay, and there are no corners, there are no edges in this sphere. Okay, this is the homework for you. First question is like this: how many faces, corners and edges does cuboid have? As I have explained, as I have taught you about the cuboid, isn't it? I have shown you the example, or I have shown you the instrument that is found in a cuboidal shape, isn't it? How many faces or corners or edges does it have? So by looking that, by remembering that, isn't it, you have to answer this question, and its answer is cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. You have to write like that, okay. Now 2 number, does the sphere have corners and edges? As I have explained you before writing this question, isn't it, I have shown you the cricket ball also. So it has no any corners and edges, it has only the face. So you have to write it, the sphere has no any corners and edges. Likewise 3 number question is, you have to complete the table. I have drawn here table, and you have to fill up this table. So a number figure is of cube figure, okay. This is the figure of cube. Now I think you know about that, how many faces or corners or edges does cube have. So you have to write here, okay. How many faces? 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. You have to write, you have to fill like that. Likewise, B number. So how many faces? This is the figure of cylinder. You have to write the how many faces, how many corners, how many edges does this cylinder have. You have to do like that. So this is only today, only this much. Okay. I hope you will do it at your home, isn't it? So thank you so much for today.